Understanding overrun a position in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, overrun a position. This expression is not just about physical movement but also carries strategic and metaphorical meanings. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone honing their English skills, understanding such phrases can add depth to your communication. So, let's unravel the layers behind overrun a position together. At its core, overrun a position refers to the act of moving beyond or overcoming a specific location or point, especially in a military context. It implies not just reaching but exceeding a target area, often with the connotation of doing so forcefully or in large numbers. This phrase evokes images of soldiers advancing past their objectives, suggesting a strong and often overwhelming force. Beyond the battlefield, overrun a position finds its way into everyday language, carrying a metaphorical weight. In business, for instance, it can describe a situation where a company dominates a market segment, surpassing competitors. In personal contexts, it might refer to someone's ideas or emotions taking over rational thought, indicating a loss of control or an overwhelming influence. To fully grasp overrun a position, let's see it in action. In a historical context, the attacking army overran the defensive positions of their adversaries, securing a decisive victory. In business, the startup quickly overran its position in the market, outpacing established giants with innovative solutions. In everyday life, my excitement about the upcoming holiday overran my position on saving money, leading to some impulsive purchases. These examples highlight how the phrase can be adapted to various situations, illustrating its versatility in conveying overwhelming force or dominance. We hope this exploration of overrun a position enriches your understanding of English expressions and their nuanced meanings. Such phrases add color and depth to our conversations, bridging the gap between literal and figurative language. Keep experimenting with these expressions in your own communications, and see how they can enhance your storytelling and descriptive abilities. Thank you for joining us, and happy learning!